News meanwhile coming in from Mumbai. Baba Siddiqui's son has made a sensational claim. Remember Baba Siddiqui, who was murdered in Bandra, and while there were a lot of charges and counter charges coming in on what exactly happened in that case, hints at a slum development project to the murder link. Zishan Siddiqui is saying, a builder abused my father. He's named multiple builders in the statement. Remember, when the investigation was being done, primarily it was the gang attack that appeared to have come in. And Zishan Siddiqui, however, now says that the dad was to meet BJP Neta Kamboj. Sena UBT Neta was part of the slum project. Is there something more that we did not know about earlier? Is more unraveling taking place in Baba Siddiqui's case? And let's listen in to what exactly has been said and why precisely that he mentioned that there is a builder nexus possibly coming in. All right, Vidya joins me on the phone line for this. Vidya, remember when this incident had happened, that there was this law and order issue, there was the Bishnoi gang angle that had come in. What has led Zishan Siddiqui to say that there is actually a builder concern possibly, that there were some threats coming in from the builders under project? Tell us more about this.
Well, during the entire statement that has been recorded of Zishan Siddiqui, he talks about how different people, including he spoke about how BJP leader Mohit Kamboj, who is said to be very close to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, was the one who had called. And Baba Siddiqui was in the habit of writing down things that had happened during the day, and on that day of murder, his name was written, Mohit Kamboj's name was written in the diary. It's something that has been mentioned. We spoke to, my colleague spoke to, Ritvik Bhalekar spoke to Mohit Kamboj, and who very clearly has stated that, he was very close to Baba Siddiqui, and he was also as shocked when the murder happened. And then he mentioned about how they were talking about the various, constructions, slum rehabilitation authority constructions that were happening. Now, Zishan in his statement has categorically stated that because they were opposing and, asking the slum dwellers to look into their rights and, read the fine print before signing any document with big builders, including various names that have been mentioned. That is the reason why they have developed a lot of enemies, and that's why he had asked the Mumbai police to look into this angle of investigation as well. And
possibly were there some hired contracted killers from the Bishnoi gang? Were they hired in this? Is there a connect on that? Stay on with me, Vidya, because it looks like from the investigation angle we have an update that Baba Siddiqui's shooter confession, accessed by India Today, that the shooter's link was with the Bishnoi gang, given guns, promised 15 lakh rupees in turn, and that Baba's son Zishan was actually a target. So Zishan Siddiqui, who's currently talking about the slum development project, that he could have possibly been the target, and he was there when Baba Siddiqui was murdered, but instead it was the father who got hit, very close to the industry honchos, to the business honchos, to the political leaders that Baba Siddiqui had been. Vidya, tell us more about this. So it looks like that there has been a confession detail that he was promised a bunch of lakhs of rupees. But do you think there are now more layers to this investigation that's emerging?
Well, remember, Pooja, when we had spoken about this issue immediately after the murder had taken place, we had spoken about how the entire Bishnoi angle was one of the aspects that the Mumbai police was looking into. Though at that time they had not ruled out the builders' connection that Zishan Siddiqui was talking about. However, the Mumbai police's investigation has revealed that it is not the builders, but the Bishnoi gang that was involved in this. And the reason why it was done was because they really wanted to make sure that they are held as a threat, as their reputation as a big, underworld connect would be established. And that's one of the reasons why this hit was ordered. And according to them, it was done, and they promoted it by saying that, this was a good work they were doing, because what the accused have told the Mumbai police is the reason that they were told by the Bishnoi gang was very clear that
Vidya, I request you to please stay on. Apologies for intervening you there. I remember Vidya earlier itself had mentioned that there could be many more angles coming into this big investigation. Now remember what Baba Siddiqui's son is saying, and this for the first time, he's saying it perhaps as openly and blatantly, that there was a slum development project that could have a link to the murder. A builder was abusing my father. He's also named multiple builders in this official statement. He said my father was to meet a BJP Neta Kamboj while a UBT Sena leader was part of the slum project. So basically a slum project that could be changed and then there would be apartments set in there. BJP Neta Kamboj has something to say. Let's listen in.
आज एक खबर चल रही है कि कुछ स्टेटमेंट ऐसे हुए हैं या चार्जशीट है, ऐसा कोई मीडिया हाउसेस चला रहे हैं गरम खबरों के लिए कुछ स्टेटमेंट को तोड़ मोड़ के चलाया जा रहा है। मैं ये स्पष्ट करना चाहूंगा कि इधर भी चार्जशीट में मेरा कोई नाम नहीं है। जीशान सिद्दीकी ने बाबा सिद्दीकी जी की जो दुर्घटना हुई उसके बाद जो अपना स्टेटमेंट दिया, उन्होंने उसमें मेंशन किया कि जिस दिन ये घटना हुई उस दिन बाबा सिद्दीकी जी की बात मेरे से हुई थी। मैं ये स्पष्ट करना चाहूंगा कि बाबा सिद्दीकी जी मेरे 15 साल से पुराने दोस्त हैं और हम लोग हर हफ्ते में 2-4 बार बात करते थे और ये बहुत ही दुखद बात है। जिस दिन उनकी ऐसी घटना हुई तो ये सबके लिए शॉकिंग था और शाम को उनकी मेरी आपस में बातचीत हुई और हम लोग ऐसे पॉलिटिकल नॉन पॉलिटिकल बांद्रा में होने के कारण, मैं भी 15 साल से बांद्रा में रहता हूँ, वो भी बांद्रा के थे, तो एक हमारे बहुत ही मधुर संबंध थे और साथ ही साथ वो एनडीए के हिस्सा भी थे, अजीत दादा पवार साहब की पार्टी के नेता थे और उस कारण से कई पॉलिटिकल मुद्दों पे हमारी रोज चर्चा आपस में होती थी। तो जिस हिसाब से जीशान जी का स्टेटमेंट को घुमा फिरा के कुछ मीडिया हाउसेस बताना चाह रहे हैं, तो मैं ऐसी छोटी रिपोर्टिंग के लिए ऐसी निंदा करता हूं और साथ ही साथ मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि इसके अंदर जो घटना हुई, बाबा सिद्दीकी जी का जो मर्डर हुआ, इसकी सच्चाई बाहर आनी चाहिए और सख्त से सख्त सजा आरोपियों को मिलनी चाहिए और मुंबई पुलिस को इसके पीछे की सच्चाई क्या है, क्या इसका एंगल है, ये लोगों के सामने सच जल्द से जल्द लाना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
So definitely a sensational addition to a layer. Was he opposing a slum development project that was not liked by some builder, one or more, and that more than, of course, the Salman Khan angle that had come in, that a gang wanted to target him and those close to him? Is there another angle, another layer emerging in this case? So perhaps, remember, a lot needs to be uncovered by the cops in Mumbai. We'll be tracking